Hey, what is up, you guys? It's your girl, Kayla Marie. So today we are back with another Instacart video. Hey, y'all, check out my hat. It says brains, beauty, and a whole lot of booty. Anyways, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can become a part of this family. And if you are an old subscriber, welcome back to another video. So today I am doing Instacart. And I did Instacart yesterday, and I made a total of $22, but I only really did like 2 trips yesterday. I didn't do that many trips. So this order, I am at Aldi's. It's 53 items that I need to pick up. So I'm about to run into Aldi's. I'm going to go ahead and get these groceries, and then I'll be back with you guys when I am done getting all of the groceries. So make sure you bring you a portable charger. Make sure you charge this up while you're driving, whatever you're doing. Make sure this is charged so that when you're in the store, just in case your phone go dead, because your phone will go dead. So okay, you guys, we about to go ahead. I'm about to go ahead and go do the shopping or whatever.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, you guys, so I have everything. I am officially done shopping. So my next thing is to go ahead and drop these groceries off at their house. The lady that I was texting, I was getting groceries for, she was actually pretty nice. Pretty nice. She responded every time I asked her a question about something. She responded. So yeah, that was quick and easy. It was 53 items, and I don't really shop at Aldi, so I had a little bit of help. So I was able to move quicker, and plus I was like ready to get up out of there because I've been in there for like, I think I was in there for maybe about an hour getting all this stuff. But honestly speaking, like, it was actually pretty cool, pretty chill, pretty cool, you guys. So I'm about to go ahead and drop these groceries off. I'm probably gonna do some more. I want to do some more. I'm actually gonna pick up my brother, so maybe he can help me film some of this, so you guys can see me actually in action. With these, I try to be quick. I want to get them the groceries and stuff quick, and I actually need to hurry up because I do have some what is it called? Ice cream. So I have some ice cream in there, so I need to hurry up and get this to her so it could be cold and it doesn't melt. So I'll see you guys when I am done dropping these groceries off. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead, I dropped off her the customer stuff. Everything went smooth, everything went great. So now I went to Chick-fil-A and I got me some waffle fries, and then I got me a frosted lemonade. After I get done eating this, my stomach be hurting so bad. My stomach be on 10, but it's worth it. Like, some things it's just worth it. Like, I feel like some things is worth the stomach ache, and this right here is worth it. Chick-fil-A be worth it. Chick-fil-A be expensive. Like, for a small fry, and this smaller thing was like $6. But it was worth it. I don't care what nobody say. It was worth it. So this is what it comes. Okay, you guys, so we are back at it again. So we have another one. This one is 12 minutes away, and it's 23 items. So for this one, it is $12 plus a $2 tip, and it's showing like a flame or something. So I'm not too sure what that even is. So we about to head over to this. It's Kroger's, and it's a total of $14, including the tip. But this time I got my brother with me. Say hi, Donnie. Donovan, say hi. Okay, y'all, he don't want to talk, but he says hi. He's just being mean. Why you being mean, Donovan? Okay, so we made it to our destination, so we're about to go in and go get these groceries. Now, here's the rules. We're gonna see who can grab the most groceries in the less amount of time. Come on, let's go. We got like less than like, we're gonna do about I think I'm gonna do, we're gonna try to be out here less than like 10 minutes. We gonna see if we could do 10 minutes and see who can get out quicker and who can find the most items within 10 minutes. Okay, you guys, so far I found 3 items. right now. He hasn't found any items yet, so he still ain't found nothing. He still ain't found nothing. I got all these items in my cart, and he still ain't found not one item. Okay, so this is he found 2 items. So I'm about to go ahead and get 2 items. He found the burritos, so he found 2 items. Oh, you found it? Did you find the water? That's 3 items for you.
Okay, so I'm trying to beat him to the oatmeal. Trying to beat him to the oatmeal. It's kind of hard to so I found the oatmeal.
Okay, so now I'm looking for the ready-to-bake traditional pie. I'm winning because he hasn't really found anything. I'm finding more things than he's been finding. So far, he's only found 3 items. And I found like 2, 4, 6, 8, 7 items so far. So I'm looking for the traditional. I think I found it. So I'm looking for the chopped spinach. Where is it? Chopped spinach. Oh, that is this one here. Down to 1 more item. We are almost done, and that's just finding this lime juice that we need. So far, it looks like I think I won. I don't think he found as many items as I found. You guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, what his look like, and what mine. This is the items that I found compared to the items that he found. So y'all see who won. I won, as you can see. Okay, you guys, so we are done shopping now. The winner is, drum roll. Who do y'all think won, me or him? I won. So we about to go ahead and drop these off, and then we are done because it's starting to get late, and I don't like being out here when it's super late. So okay, you guys, so we are done with the last order. We just dropped it all. But that is the ending of me doing Instacart. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more challenges and actually see me shop and do Instacart, just leave a comment down below, and I definitely will do a video where I am actually shopping in the store and showing you guys. I'm thinking about doing a challenge as well to see. I'll probably bring like one of my siblings to see who can get the item quicker or faster, and maybe do like some type of prize or like something like that, something that's gonna be fun and exciting. Like I said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.